Now, we know if we're writing narrative, if we're writing our opinion, or if we're writing informative, that all of our essays need to be what? Fun to read, fun to write, make sense, and have all their parts. I know the routine now. I know what I'm doing. I know the organizers by heart. Like, it frees my mind up to actually do the teaching because there is the routine and the explicitness of the actual process. But to make our writing powerful, we need to what? P.
Take my idea.
O.
Organize my notes.
W.
Write and say more.
R.
Revise.
E.
Edit.
For us in the K-2 area is taking these awesome ideas. The organizer is so helpful in getting them to populate what's in their brain and take it out. So for the WWW how, this is what all the words mean for our organizers. Are you ready?
Who is the story all about? Where is the story happening? What are they doing? Shout it out. How is the story ending? Who, where, what, and how? Narrative writing. Let's start now!
It's at least teaching them that their writing needs to have an opening. It needs to have like the body in between, and we need to wrap it up, and we're not just ending it. So it's giving them the idea of what writing should look like.
All right. So what does the C in C space stand for?
Camping characters.
That's right. What does the S stand for? Nice and loud.
Setting.
Setting. And what's a setting? The place and the... That's right. So we have the time and the place. Good job. I mean, you look at their writing at the beginning and there are specific things that you can see they've grown in, where now they're setting it up like an essay. They have the structure down. And a lot of families were sharing that kids are talking about this at home. They're excited about writing. Then we have the P.
He is going to help us with our problem, and it means what does the main character want or try to do.
That's right. What does the main character in your story want or try to do? What's the A for?
The action.
The action, right? Our story, all good narrative stories have lots of actions. And then what does the C stand for? Conclusion. That's right. And then that E, it's a little trickier.
Emotion.
Emotions. What does that mean?
Like how the character is showing.
How they're showing how they're
Feeling.
Yeah, what they're feeling. That's right. And I have a mom who is a writer who was here yesterday, and she was loving the whole self-regulation piece of it. She's like, writing is hard. She's like, I'm a writer. I write books for a living. Writing is hard. And it's nice to see kids have some strategies to work through that.